We've got the Detroit Pistons facing the Oklahoma City Thunder. Welcome, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to 2K Sports as we get set to bring you some terrific NBA action. This is Kevin Harlan with Greg Anthony and Brent Barry. From the sideline, we'll have David Aldridge. We'll be hearing from him in just a moment. So Detroit will get the first possession. And the dunk by Stewart.
And Bagley with a nice job of surveying theirs.
And looking at Marvin Bagley, the third, a skilled forward, Brent, who has struggled to stay healthy.
Back in 2018, Bagley was selected #2 in the NBA draft. So if he finds a way to stay healthy and gets into the right situation, maybe some of those doors to his talent start to open up.
And looking at the stats, Bojan, one of the more prolific corner three shooters, he loves that spot.
Now here's Giddey. Pass to Holmgren. Takes the three. That one doesn't go. Inside. Stewart. The Pistons rebound. Here's Ivy. That's in, coming off the assist from Cunningham.
Defense making it pretty easy for Cade Cunningham here. You can't leave someone wide open on this team.
Back to Gilgeous-Alexander. Driving the lane. And Greg Anthony for Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Part of a growing trend in this NBA, giving his team length in the backcourt.
Yeah, 6'6" with a 6'11" wingspan. He can see over the top of the defense. He helps you on the glass, and he can switch onto front court players defensively. That's what teams are looking for nowadays.
Outside for Bagley. And Holmgren pulls it down. Stewart with the steal. Bogdanovich looking around. To Cunningham, driving to the basket.
I love Cade just ripping through right there, getting his strides down and all the way to the rim.
Here's Baisley, and they will get the basket here, folks, as they rule goaltending.
That's a very close call. I'm sure he thinks it's a clean block, but looks like it was on the way down.
Pass to Stewart. Wide open. And Detroit again with the bucket.
Yeah, Stewart not the longest big that you're going to see in the NBA, but man, he can be crafty around the rim and use his size to his advantage.
Here's Giddey. Here's Holmgren. Laid in with a nice touch off the glass.
Just setting the tone with an aggressive move to the rack. And where's the help defensively?
Yeah, APB sent out to try to find out where the defense is. Inexcusable.
Yeah, the length and height of Bogdanovich is impressive. Outstanding at slamming it down there when he got the chance.
Out of bounds, Detroit takes possession.
Substitution for your Thunder.
And here in the first, about 3 minutes in.
And this Thunder team in desperate need of a veteran, someone on their way out that can still be productive and provide some leadership for the young guys.
Now, here's Ivy. Down to 5 on the shot clock. They get it back. And the dunk by Stewart.
And there is no quit in what Isaiah Stewart will do on the glass.
And here's Gilgeous-Alexander outside. Detroit with the ball. They're on a 16-5 run. Pass to Stewart. Into the lane. And he converts the layup. Stewart's got 8 points. So now, how does Oklahoma City, Greg, get back into the mix in the Western Conference?
Kevin, it's going to be tough. Just so much inexperience on the roster right now. Keeping the core here, yeah, but experienced players to